Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I hope you are all fit and fine and you are practicing your SE Machines 2 subjects at your home. Today we will solve the very important chapter from your SE Machines 2, that is chapter 5, because minimum one broad question will come in your final examination from this chapter. So let's go start to explain the videos. Okay, my dear friends, so already we have informed all types of formula in the chapters, and I think you will be able to memorize that formula. And okay, if you did not watch my previous videos, please watching my previous videos and watch these videos right now. So সমস্যা একটি 1500 kVA 3000 volt and 50 hertz 3 phase star connected alternator আর্মেচারের কার্যকরী রোধ 0.25 কার্যকরী রোধ and armature resistance will be same. 30 ampere field current a short circuit current here. 30 ampere here should not be used here. Okay, here short circuit current, that's mean the value of ISC is 150 ampere, and open circuit voltage, my dear friends, this is very important value. EOC, open circuit voltage 900 volt, that is line voltage also, and 0.85 leading power factor cos theta equals to will be 0.85, but this is leading power factor, and of course obviously the voltage regulation will be negative because the system is leading. Voltage regulation নির্ণয় করো. Okay, let's start to solution this math সমাধান. Okay, given here kVA equals to will be 1500 and armature resistance or কার্যকরী resistance will be, effective resistance will be RA equals to 0.25 ohms, and power factor cos theta equals to will be 0.85, and from the power factor cos theta, of course we will be able to find out the value of sin theta, because sin theta equals to will be root over 1 minus cos square theta, and we will get from this calculation 0.53. okay, here we can see short circuit current ISC equals to will be 150 ampere, and open circuit voltage, very important value here, EOC, because we will use the ISC and EOC to find out ZS, because we know the formula ZS equal to EOC divided by root 3 and divided by ISC. This is the formula, of course I have already informed you from my previous video, right? So right now full load voltage will be this is 3-phase system, VL divided by root 3. We will get from this calculation the full load voltage is 1732.05 volt, and armature current I equals to will be kVA into 1000 divided by root 3 VL. We will get from the calculation the armature current is 288.67 ampere. This is very simple. And synchronous impedance, this is the vital and critical. Of course I have already informed you critical formula. Synchronous impedance will be ZS equals to EOC divided by root 3 divided by SC, and we will get from this calculation the synchronous impedance will be 3.46 ohms, and synchronous reactance also we know that equals to will be root over ZS square minus RA squares, and if we put this value here, we can get from this calculation the synchronous reactance will be 3.45 ohms, and we can see here we know already the no load voltage formula equals to will be full load cos theta plus IRA whole square plus full load sin theta minus IA excess whole square, because we will the sign is very significant because we will use here the minus value because the system is leading power factor. You can memorize that. This you have to memorize this. Okay, if you put this value like this, and you will get from it the no load voltage is 1546, that's mean 1546.37 volt, and this no load voltage of course will be less than full load voltage because the system is again leading power factor, and the voltage regulation will be, we know the formula that no load voltage minus full load voltage divided by full load voltage into 100%. If we put the value of no load voltage, full load voltage, and we will get from this value is minus 10.72, and this alternator is also not so very good. Okay, this is something medium. Okay, so this is the system of the solution of this math, and of course I will give you some question, homework as a homework, and of course you will you will screenshot, you will take a screenshot this question. Of course I'll explain it. Okay, here in this question, in this math, some different here, I think you will be able to solve it. Here terminal voltage, that's mean this is open circuit EOC, open circuit voltage, and of course AC resistance will be DC resistance times 1.75 times DC resistance, right? That's mean our A equals to will be our DC divided by 2 into 1.75, because we cannot use 1.5 because we use it here 1.75 times, because the 1.75 times has been given here. That's why we will be able to, we have to use this formula here, and this is the question. And of course you will be able to, I think you will be able to solve this math at your home. This is the homework for solving of you, and of course take some screenshot here. Three important problem here. Of course this problem should be solved at your home by you, of course, and this is your homework. So that's all for today's friends. Of course I think you are able to solve the math very easily at your home. The homework is very very important, of course, and in the next session we'll be able to solve the another important math of your estimation 2 subjects from the chapter 5 also, and inshallah the chapter 5 will be finished or will be completed by the next chapter, next session, I think. Okay, that's it for today. Keep learning consistently and keep growing your career. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.